What up, gang? I'm back with another video, nigga. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sound like Suno on Bandlab. Before I hop into the video, I'm telling y'all guys, I'm pleading y'all, subscribe to this channel so that I can be giving you free presets, nigga. Subscribe. If y'all guys stop doing that shit, I'ma stop giving you free presets. Because some people sell the presets, but I'm trying to give it to you guys for free. Let's cooperate, nigga. So let's hop into the video. But first, let me play without the preset. Alright, shit, give it. Listen to the song without the presets. Let's hop into it. Let me put the beat off for you.
Suno, shaking on room, boom, boom, shaking on room. Got a bitch and she shaking on room. I'll put a V, you know I'm a boom. To my baby, I ain't coming soon. Play with a gang, get big with a boom. If you liking living with a wound, why the niggas keep on saying gra? Yo, pussy, they ain't got no strap. Sit at the bed, chillin' with a ta. De la Suno, boy, you too fun. But I'm street, I got me a gun. Big booty shaking out the pod. Bitch bad, feel it like she carry. Nigga hit, double hit, dummy.
So this how it sounds without the preset. Now let me put the preset on, and y'all tell me if you fuck with it. Let me put the beat on. Now let's listen to how it sounds with the preset. Sorry.
Shaking on room, boom.
Elias Beats.
Got a bitch and she shaking on room. I'll put a V, you know I'm a boom. To my baby, I ain't coming soon. Play with a gang, get big with a boom. If you liking living with a wound, why the niggas keep on saying gra? Yo, pussy, they ain't got no strap. Sit at the bed, chillin' with a ta. De la Suno, boy, you too fun. But I'm street, I got me a gun. Big booty shaking out the pod. Bitch bad, feel it like she carry. Nigga hit, double hit, dummy.
Nigga, I hate that boy here, dummy. But don't forget to subscribe. Let's hop into the presets. Subscribe, nigga. That's all I want from you. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Graphic EQ. I'm gonna drop the link so I'll be moving fast. Don't need this. And I put the auto pitch to 50. Yeah, it's at 50. Medium. I put it straight to 50. No more, no less. So tell me if you fuck with this. Tell me who I should do next. Comment. So that I can do the next presets for you.
Suno, shaking on room.
Don't forget to subscribe, nigga.
Elias Beats.
Got a bitch and she shaking on room. I'll put a V, you know I'm a boom. To my baby, I ain't coming soon. Play with a gang, get big with a boom. If you liking living with a wound, why the niggas keep on saying gra? Yo, pussy, they ain't got no strap. Sit at the bed, chillin' with a ta. De la Suno, boy, you too fun. But I'm street, I got me a gun. Big booty shaking out the pod. Bitch bad, feel it like she carry. Nigga hit, double hit, dummy.
Yeah, dummy.